Hello, how are you doing tonight? What's up, everyone? This is Izzy Cabrera, also known as your side hustle private investigator, coming to you with a live session. What's up, Alpha affiliates? Come on in, the water's fine. Drop me a hashtag live if you're watching this live. Tonight, I'm just going to chop it up with you for a minute and talk about what is affiliate marketing. I know a lot of people kind of have an idea of what it is. I know I have some new folks on my Facebook group that don't know anything about affiliate marketing. So I'm hoping to kind of shed a little bit of light on what it is. This is one of many free trainings that I'm going to offer here on my Facebook group. So come on in. The water's fine. Like I said, if you're watching, if you're watching this live, drop me a hashtag live. If you're watching it on a replay, drop me a hashtag replay. I gonna try to do these on Tuesday nights. I had every intention to do it this week on Tuesday because I put a poll up on my Facebook group, and two people responded. Thank you, two people for responding. I'm not I'm not mad at the rest of y'all. They said Tuesday nights would be the best night out of the three choices that I gave. So I'm going to try to do this on Tuesday night. Unfortunately, this week I was a little under the weather on Tuesday, and so I wasn't able to do it. But I did want to do it this week because, again, I had promised you guys that I would start doing that. So here I am tonight. I'm feeling much better. For those who knew that I was sick and were sharing love, sending love my way and prayers and things. I appreciate it. I feel much better today. Um, but I'm back at this side hustle game. So tonight I want to talk a little bit about what is affiliate marketing. Again, if you're joining me live, drop that hashtag live. If you're joining me on a replay, drop that hashtag replay. If you have questions along the way, drop it in the comments. I'm going to try to answer the questions as I get them. But I'm just going to roll through this thing. This will be recorded. So if you didn't get a chance to watch it live, you can watch it on the replay. Um, so, what is affiliate marketing, right? These days, I think affiliate marketing has gotten a bad rep. Um, you hear affiliate marketing, and it's like saying Mufasa, ooh, Mufasa, ooh, say it again. Affiliate marketing, ooh, say it again. Everyone is afraid of it, and it's actually not bad at all. It's a pretty good way for you to make some extra income. And that's basically what I'm trying to do with this Facebook group is show you different ways that you can make passive income on a regular basis. So let's dig into it. Don't be so afraid of affiliate marketing. Don't be scared of it like that. So I'm just going to take you through a quick PowerPoint presentation that I created about what is affiliate marketing. And again, drop questions if you have them, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my abilities. All right. So, what is affiliate marketing, right? Well, let's say, for example, I had a company and I called it, let's say, a company name Izzy's Widgets, right? Izzy's Widgets is a company that sells widgets. I do really well with my widgets. Have a pretty good uh, earnings creating widgets, and I have a company. So this is Izzy's Widgets. Welcome to Izzy's Widgets. Now, the way I present my widgets is I go through. You can hardly see it because my head is in the way. Through billboards. So I'll have two or three different billboards in town that say buy Izzy's widgets, and it works out okay for me. I make an okay amount of money, and I'm selling widgets okay. That's kind of how that works. So then you have John. John is a potential customer for Izzy's widgets. John has been searching for widgets for a long time. However, he hasn't found the right company to purchase these widgets from because, he doesn't look at billboards. He tries to keep his eyes on the road when he's driving. So he would have never been able to see Izzy's widget sign. Um, John, however, does use social media on a regular basis, and he spends a lot of time on TikTok, probably 3 or 4 hours a day on TikTok, Facebook, and all these different programs. So John is on social media. That's actually where he purchases stuff. That's where he does his shopping. He does online shopping, mostly through social media. Um, I don't know if you guys ever notice when you search for something on Google, pair of pants, for example, all of a sudden those same pair of pants appear when you're scrolling through Instagram or Facebook. It's all programmed to try to sell you these things, and that's basically a way for you to promote stuff. And so, John, that's how he does his shopping on a regular basis, is through the internet. That's where you step in. So you um, are on social media and you happen to enjoy going through Facebook and doing videos and doing YouTube videos, doing TikTok videos, Facebook, yeah, Facebook, everything. You have a lot of followers on different social media spaces, um, and so you're attached to social media. You know how to do this thing. All of a sudden, John sees one of your videos. He happens to start following you on all your social media. So now John's following you. You're doing your video thing. You're posting stuff. He's like liking it. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. This is awesome. I like following this person. You all of a sudden hear through my Facebook group about this awesome training that you can do for doing affiliate marketing. And guess what? You reach out to Izzy's Widgets and you say, "Hey, Izzy Widgets, can I become an affiliate for you?" Izzy's Widgets, of course, is going to say yes because they're going to want you to um, do they're going to want, it's a win-win situation. That's how affiliate marketing works. So they're like, yeah, go ahead. And they allow you to do Izzy's Widgets and become a affiliate for it. So then you create this YouTube video review about Izzy's Widgets. Um, and you're very excited about it. You drop it on there. You do everything you can to make it look nice and drop it on YouTube. Next thing you know, boom, one day goes by, nothing happens. 2 days goes by, nothing happens. You get a lot of views on the videos, but nothing happens. Well, on the fifth or sixth day, all of a sudden, John sees your um, YouTube review on Izzy's Widgets. And he's like, oh my goodness, I've always wanted widgets. Hey, I'm following this person and I trust this person. And I think this is a good idea. I like this thing. Let me see what I can do. Should I do this? You know what? I do follow this person. They're having some really good pictures, and I do believe in what they're promoting. So let me go ahead and do that. John sees it. There's this little eye seeing your um, your video, and there's his little credit card. He purchases it from you from using that same link that you got from that Izzy's Widgets gave you for the affiliate link, and he buys it. Guess what? When he buys it, Izzy's Widgets gets money, and you get a commission for that as well. The cool thing about this is a win-win-win situation, right? John wins because John got the widget, right? He's the customer. He got the widget that he wanted. Um, Izzy's Widgets obviously wins because they sold a product that nobody, that wouldn't have had sold if they had done the billboard thing. And guess what? You win because you got a cut from that product because you promoted it in one of your social media spaces. So this, in a nutshell, is what affiliate marketing is. You have a company that's selling products. You have a customer that wants to buy that product, and then you become the middleman for that product by promoting it in different social media spaces. So in a nutshell, that's what affiliate marketing is. Hopefully that made a little bit more sense to you, or if you've never heard it explained, or if you have, hopefully my little pictures made it a little easier for you to understand. Um, so the question now then becomes, well, I understand this is affiliate marketing, this is how you do it and stuff, but um, how do you become an affiliate for different programs? And if you pretty much every, I want to say every company out there, but most programs, most companies are familiar with affiliate marketing, and they know basically what it is and how it benefits them, right? And like I was saying before, is what I like to call the triple dub. It's a win-win-win situation because customer wins, the company obviously wins, and you as the affiliate win. It's like the perfect triple double, right? So so that's why I consider it the win-win-win situation. So why how we then become an affiliate for something, right? Well, if I were to, for example, let me share my screen. Hopefully it works here. There you go. If I were to say, um, oh, there it is right there. If I were to say like Amazon affiliate program, for example, will take me to Amazon's affiliate program. If I go there, there's my sign up screen for becoming an affiliate to Amazon. And that's pretty much how it works. I mean, again, I don't want to see every company, but major companies obviously know about it. And you then get a percentage out of that. Now, Amazon, because they are so big, their percentage is going to be a lot smaller than some, smaller company who's trying to make a little bit more less money than they are, right? Amazon is pretty much God right now. So their affiliate program will give you a smaller percentages. And then you would try to decide which program to go based on that as well. So there's a lot of things to consider, but this is if I were to do the same thing with Nike, Nike's going to have an affiliate program. If I were to do Adidas, they're going to have an affiliate program. Can't think of a women's store right now, but every women's store has an affiliate program. And so the key is, how do you then become an affiliate for that? You sign up for them and then you promote it in different social media. And that's a little bit more the trickier part. But there are programs out there that will teach you how to promote and things of that nature. And that's basically the idea behind that. I hope that helps someone out there. I don't know if anyone's watching live, drop that hashtag live. If you're watching on replay, drop that hashtag replay. If you have questions about what I presented today, if you have any questions about something else, drop it in here. If you want to hear about a different topic in my next live session, let me know about it. Drop it in here too. And I'll try to see what I can do. But again, I wanted just to break down tonight basic, what is affiliate marketing? How does it work and things of that nature. It's in this day and age, this year, in 2022, affiliate marketing is trending to make $12.5 billion with a B. That's how much money people are making using this affiliate marketing strategy. So my question to you is, are you going to be part of that $12.5 billion? Or are you just going to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show and not get any of that? So I know for me, I'm trying to get some of that. I actually currently am getting some of that. So I'm excited to do that. But basically, that's it. Like I said, I appreciate you guys joining my Facebook group. Drop questions if you have them, and share this with others if you feel that was helpful. And let me know what other topics you guys want to hear from me about different programs, affiliate marketing, and things of that nature that you may want to hear. So thank you very much for hanging out with me tonight. Again, for now, this is your Side Hustle Private Investigator signing off. Y'all have a good night. Peace.